Today, let's sound the alphabets. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for grapes. H is for hat. I is for igloo. J is for jam. K is for kite. L is for leaf. M is for mango. N is for nurse. O is for octopus. P is for plane. Q is for quail. R is for roof. S is for sea. T is for teeth. U is for umbrella. V is for vase. W is watch. X is X-ray. Y is for yarn. Z is for zipper. Now we learn the sound of the alphabets. I hope you will learn it